All right, we're moving on to lesson 5.3. A lot of you guys remember this good stuff from middle school math. We're doing scientific notation and scientific digits. There is some cool areas in your TI-84 if you'd like to Google that or explore that a little bit. We'll do that in class. Our essential question is, can you use scientific notation and scientific digits? So starting off, we'll start off right here in example 1. It says express the number in scientific notation. Well, remember, scientific notation will always be shown, sorry, I need my pen, as 7.92. So I have to take this decimal and move it backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. So I'm going to write this as times 10 to the 6th power, because remember we want this to be a 7,920,000 number. So we want to show that that's going to the right 6 places. All right, for the next one, I want my decimal right there at 4.1. And since we want this number to be smaller, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. All right, let's express these in decimal form. So the first one is asking us to express 2.7 times 10 to the 3rd. So we need to move this 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to move that. I like to fill in a 0 so I can see it. That's just at 2,700. And for the next one, we need to go -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want my decimal there. So if you notice, I have 6 zeros, and then the number 618. So that's a very small decimal because of that -7. All right, what if I have something like this? I think we're on example 5. What if I have something like this? 8 times 10 to the 6th, 2 times 10 to the -2nd, all over 4 times 10 to the 2nd. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply the numbers. Well, I know 8 times 2 is 16. And remember, when I multiply the tens, I add the exponents. So 6 plus a -2 is 4. And then I'm going to have 4 times 10 to the 2nd. So now I'm going to go the other way. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And 10 to the 4th, 10 to the 2nd, we're going to put that on top. All of these we're actually going to have to put on top as 10 to the 2nd power. All right, great job with scientific notation. We're going to have a lot of practice on this, so great job.